Hi, good morning everyone. Today's video is about the quarantine plan that needs to be followed when you are traveling to Canada. The quarantine plan has become a government regulation across countries owing to the COVID-19 pandemic. And hence, any person, any foreign traveler who is traveling Canada for on any kind of permit, like a student permit or a visitor permit or say a permanent residency permit, is required to undergo a quarantine plan. And hence, it is very important for all of us to understand clearly what is the quarantine plan that one needs to take care of while planning to travel to Canada. As we all know that quarantine in simple word means isolation. Quarantine is isolation. Isolation is staying away from a crowd of people or a group of people. So it means you need to stay alone for a period of at least 14 days in order to check your symptoms, or if you symptoms for COVID, or if you are not feeling well after having traveled to a foreign country. So I'm going to go through the CIC website, which is actually, and I'm going to read you certain important details from the website itself, where it is talking about who should follow and what should be followed, especially in a quarantine plan or for Canada. So anyone, a citizen, permanent resident, a foreign national, refugee, a student, a worker, anybody who is going to travel to Canada during this time, it requires to follow a quarantine plan. So when you arrive in Canada by land, air or sea, they are going to assess your health at the port of entry. So port of entry is not just the border at the airport, or it's not just the airport authority, it's also the land authorities, and it's also the sea authorities, because people are not just coming from Asia, but they're also coming from other parts of the world to Canada. So if you are a foreign national and you have symptoms of COVID-19, you will not be allowed to enter Canada. So while various provinces in Canada have additional requirements for testing you for COVID, overall, say in British Columbia, don't really have any additional requirements. But I recommend that you carry a COVID test certificate from your origin country itself, so that if asked at any port of entry regarding your COVID-19 test, you should be able to show a certificate which says that you have been recently tested negative for COVID. That's how you should plan to travel. And for those students who are especially traveling from India, we need to really take care of our quarantine plan, because these are the questions that will be asked at the immigration checkpoint in Canada, and sometimes also while you're traveling from India. So the immigration officer can ask you questions on do you have a separate place to stay, how many people are staying in the same place where you are trying to put up for your isolation period, will you be able to get food and normal daily necessities, will there be somebody to deliver it for you, how will you be traveling from the airport to your place of quarantine. So these questions are usually asked by the immigration officer, and all students are required to carry details of your place of stay for the first 14 days of your arrival before you actually move out of that place where you stay for the 14 days.